Okay, another day. Good night of sleep. Just woke up a few times. We live in beautiful Namche Bazaar, and we're going to Dole. It's gonna take about 14 kilometers to get there, and about 7-8 hours. We live in the place where the oxygen level is 64%, and we go into the place where the oxygen level is just below 60. So it might be a bit challenging. The elevation gain is in Namche is just over 3,400, and where we're going is just over 4,000. The queues are already big, so a few hundred people heading the same direction. But at some point we're gonna split, so we're actually going to the Gokyo Valley, and most people going through the normal EBC track. So it's gonna get easier with the crowd, but have a look on that. So the weather in the morning is about 2 to 6 degrees. It depends where you are in Namche. And just to mention about any acclimatization symptoms. So far no headaches. I'm not feeling like any pain. I think all the preparation last 4 months just paying off at the moment, at least. So happy days, no need at the moment for Diamox. Just drinking plenty of water. So yesterday 6.5 liter, which is a lot. So far so good.
Hey, Wales!
Just look at the clouds and you will be able to see how windy it is. On the way to the Mount Everest base camp, we saw Himalayan vulture. The wingspan is up to 3 meters, so nearly the length of a small car. The population size is 100 to 500, which means we were so lucky to see one of these beautiful birds.
So just a bit to mention about the showers. So yesterday I had a last shower in Namche Bazaar, and that's it. Apparently no more showers for the next 10 days. Well, apparently there is options in a few different places to take a shower, but to boil the water they're using the gas, and when you have in the shower the gas is being released and you breathe this gas in, and then there are cases where the people later on are being sick. So for example, our guide here, he had a problem after having the shower. Where was that? What place?
In Dinguche.
Dinguche.
It was really hard. I nearly died.
Nearly died. He said it was really hard to walk next few days, no energy, and he said he nearly died. So I think we're not going to have this risk, so no shower for another 10 days. Happy days. Tapuche 6,100. Okay, so we get the first view on the two villages, Low Sasa and Forse. So the Low Sasa is on the bottom, and Forse is at the top. So, and also just a few things to mention about building these roads, right? Yeah. So this road was built on the donation from the tourists, and the person's name who was collecting the donation was Lama Shiru. The road was built since 2007 up to like recently, and the person who was collecting the money died on this road just recently. Last few months. so if you wonder what the toilets looks like on the way to the Mount Everest base camp, just look at that. Ready? Happy days! Okay, so we arrived to the junction. So way right over there, it's take you to EBC, the standard road, and up over there is the way to Gokyo Valley, Gokyo Ri, Gokyo Lake, and so on. So we're gonna take this road now, and we're gonna come back this day, this road in probably 10 days time. Also,
21 kilometers.
Is
Oh, sorry, 34 kilometers.
34 kilometers. Okay, so you can see in here is 21 hours walk to Everest base camp, distance 34 kilometers from here, and then distance to the Gokyo is 20 kilometers and 16 hours walk, and then additional time from Gokyo to base camp. Okay, so excited. See you later. Just to mention about the Gokyo path, it's take about 14 days, the whole trip, so it's 11 going up and another 3 to go down. Compared to the normal EBC road, this one it's take about 11-12 days. And we can see actually the EBC normal road still there. And many people would ask why you choose the Gokyo if it's harder. It's more difficult to breathe, it's more difficult to talk and so on, and why you choose it. And because of the views. There are amazing views from the Cholo Pass, there are amazing views from the Gokyo Ri and also Kalapata. So that's the main reason.
That's the wrong reason.
He just said that's the wrong reason.
We can see from the Gokyo Ri,
Yeah.
the more beautiful views than Kalapata. 15-20 peaks from the Gokyo Ri,
Wow.
but we can see from the Kalapata only 10-11.
Okay.
Peaks.
Okay. Good to know, right? And what time we need to get up to get to Gokyo Ri?
To get to Gokyo Ri, we need to get up like around 3 a.m.
3 a.m. we need to get up for the best views of the Gokyo Ri.
with the headlamps.
With the headlamps and in the snow.
Yeah.
And in the cold. It's gonna be minus 20?
Minus 20, more than 25, I think.
Minus 25? Oh gosh. Oh. Yeah, so that's the good reasons to actually choose Gokyo road over the EBC standard road, right? Not. Look at this, like many helicopters coming this way, like one every few minutes. But just looking the view on Amadavlan, it's absolutely amazing.
हाम्रो परिवार
What a random place for the dog to rest, right? Okay, so we just stopped to have something to eat. The food was absolutely amazing. But once you enter the room, Monla.
Yeah.
Okay, we stop in the place of the Monla. There you go. So once you step into the room, you can smell the pool, and this is because they're using the yak's pool actually to heat in the place. Usually, if the Chola Pass is the weather there is too much snow or so on, which means we're gonna have to go back through this way over there. Well, let's hope the weather is gonna be good enough, because apparently the views from the Chola Pass are absolutely amazing, so let's hope for the best, yeah? But apparently there are some guys And pay attention, there are some guides that not taking them to the Everest base camp, but straight back to the Namche Bazaar. This is ridiculous.
And usually this means the end of the whole trip.
Just don't look down, right? Look at that. Crazy. Okay, just arrived to our next stop. Is a Fortset Sangha, and it's got a height of 3680 meters. And in terms of the elevation, we are actually 300 meters lower compared to the place where we had a lunch. So the way over here was easier because always was like downhill, but now from now on it's only gonna get harder all the way to Dole.
Spanish moss.
Moss?
Yeah.
Spanish moss, okay. Yeah.
Knock knock.
Who's that?
Atch.
That's who.
God bless you.
That was a good one.
It's that shit, I'm laughing.
Okay, just if you ever wonder how cold it is in Himalayas, just have a look on this one. It's a frozen waterfall. Hey, positive. Okay, so we just hit 4,000 meters. Look what this means for the guys. Woo! 4,000! Woo! Poland. Yes, yes, yes. And on top of that, we've got the first snow. So it's getting colder and colder here.
Jim!
We made it!
We made it!
We made it! Come on, guys!
Woohoo!
Woo!
We did it!
Yeah. Get in there! Come on!
Dancer.
Yes! Hey!
Well done.
And thank you.
Brave guys.
Smashed it!
Okay, so just we made it to Dole. Absolutely amazing feeling. That was a tough, really tough. In the scale 0 to 10, how difficult it was, I would give it strong 8. It was challenging. We cover nearly 13 kilometers. And oh, let's check the elevation actually. Okay, so the elevation is 4,030 meters. So at the moment, because of that, the oxygen level is on 59%, and you can feel it, like it's difficult to breathe. We made it. Thanks to this guy. Okay, so this is going to be our home for this night. Let's look at that. Come on. No, you need to put loud. That's the loudest? Yeah. Okay. Okay, now. Come on. Come on.
I didn't realise this was Magic Mike.
Now, come on. You show me how to dance. Come on. Come on. Hold that. Well, wait, do that. Come on. Hey. Hey, you got this. I'm tired now.
Oh, if you don't mind, that'd be lovely.
You know what we should do? We should...
Come on.
If you don't mind, that'd be lovely. What's he saying?
Okay, so this is the end of day 3. I just took some amazing, absolutely beautiful pictures of the stars and surrounding mountains. And before I show you them, I just need to summarize the day. So today's day was really challenging, and mainly because we have the clouds and fog, and we didn't see anything around, so it was just going uphill most of the time, and it was really difficult. And I will try to show you the surrounding mountains tomorrow morning. I will try to get up especially for you, so you can see how beautiful the village of Dole is. Enjoy the time lapse and enjoy the beautiful pictures. Have fun. Good night.
If you enjoy my content, please support this channel and buy me a coffee. Link below this video. Thank you for watching and see you later.